I think I am changing the culture and the standard of healthcare, especially in my community. And I will continue to do that no matter what. And capital deprived, yes, we are. Are we worried? No, we're not. I would be worried like if I was not providing any value.
Hmm.
Okay. Then it would be worrisome, like because I'm not providing any value. I'm not getting any feedback. That's a worrisome time.
Yes.
But I'm not worried because I am providing great value to the people. We get a lot of patient referrals. Though, yeah, it's an unproven market, a very small ticket size, 600, 700, 800 fees you take from 400 to 800. So it's small ticket size, but we are changing the life. We are uplifting many places. For example, I'll tell you a couple more things what we have changed.
So Tauseef, before that, I want to stop you, but highlight two things. So this podcast, I have titled it "Choosing Leadership," because I think leadership is a set of choices which you make, and So one is after losing some family members, you decided to do that, and this is so meaningful for you. So that's one choice which you take. But you just now said that, right? We are capital deprived, but that's not going to stop us. And I invite anybody who is listening to go back a few minutes to listen to that. But there was a conviction in your voice. There was a strength in your voice, which is not confidence, which is not analysis, which is not future prediction, which is not anything business confidence, right? It's a gut conviction that because I have seen the value and this is so meaningful for me, nothing is going to stop me. And then the second thing which you shared about your father, I think that's feeling, right? And there are many others like him whose life you have changed. That is a feeling, or that is a result which cannot be described or measured in words or finances or these like the metrics, whatever we use in business. And I want to highlight that, right? I want to celebrate these choices which you continue to make every day. You also said this is your everyday. This is a choice which you have to make every day. It's so easy to give up, to get disempowered. Thank you for sharing your journey. This is so wonderful.
Thank you so much.
And I don't want to miss that.